So, the new iPod Nano software. Oh, you can see my camera in the uber reflective screen. Fantastic. So, where's the power on there? Gear, wait, you're spoiling it. This is the new iPod Nano. Was name the new system software. It was 1.1 and now it's 1.2. You can have the old icon set up as before, where there's four on each screen, or you can have just one on each screen in case you are completely retarded. I don't have a whole lot I actually use this for though, so having it like this is kind of prettier, so I'm doing this. You still can't change wallpapers, which disappoints the fuck out of me because I have one. Well, I sort of have one that I made myself to size. Let me go ahead and demonstrate. So you can, ooh, yeah, see these are the ones included, but you cannot get your own. So you can go in here and change it to small icons and such. It's exactly the same as before if you do that. And add different features or just remove them altogether. And we're just going to add photos for a second because I do have one on here that I made myself. I was wanting to butch this as a wallpaper, but no, they don't let me, and they still don't. So balls to them. You can move the crap around, and of course, remove it. Why did I just go here? I'm tired. Anyway, what else do they have? Well, they changed it up where you can have, when you hit music, now it does all this. I don't think it did all this before. I'm probably wrong though. I would check, but I can't go back. Oh well. Anyway, the highlight for me is the clock. Because now you can do things with it. Well, first of all, you have all this other stuff. And apparently, they did some new stuff with the fitness. I don't care. Dude. Here's the default clock, which we already had. It has the time going around, and then it has the date in the little bottom middle area there. Tap, and then you can go through. Now you have a dark one. Now you have a fancy one. Now you have another fancy one that's dark. You have this one, which you can barely really tell. Okay, you can actually, yeah. If I'm too close, you can't really see it, but if I'm far away enough, you can, even though I have the focus on close. Makes no sense. Anyway, you have this girlish one, and you have this nice dark one here that's sort of very minimalistic. There's nothing on it like date-wise. It's just gold, sort of, with a black background. You have this cool ass one here. You can see all the gears working in the middle top area. You have the date, you have the seconds. Wow, that's the seconds. I just realized that. That's weird. And you have this one, which is a little more digital, which I like, because I do not like reading actual watch faces, which, yeah, I know it sounds weird. I just prefer numbers. And then we have this, which looks like a sports watch, basically. And there is the date, and that is the day of the week. Here's another sports type watch with the day of the week once again, the month, or the day of the month, my mistake, day of the week, day of the month, and year. Then we have this really interesting one that has the minutes in the middle, and I think the hours going around. Yeah, that's right. And it's pretty interesting, this one, I will admit. This one's my favorite. Has the day, the month and day, has the year, has the time, has the seconds. This one is a little bit more minimalistic. Has a sort of a matrixy sort of effect going, I guess, for lack of a better term. Uh, looks really nice. On my camera isn't really doing it justice actually. Let's try and yeah, you can't really see it. Oh wait, there it goes. When the screen dims, you can really see it. Funny how that works out. Yeah. Yeah, there's no really making this show up on my camera. My camera sucks. Oh, shoot, wrong way. Alright. Then we have this one. And this one's pretty cool. I wish they had a, I kind of wish they had a dark version of this. And I might use that, but they don't. And then they have this Disney stuff. They have Mickey Mouse. The day of the week is there. Then the time, or the day of the month, my mistake, is the 4th. Then they have one of Minnie Mouse. Then they have one of Kermit the Frog. One of, I forget who that was. Kill me, I know. The funny thing is, I've actually seen a watch like this before, so they've clearly designed this after actual watches, which is kind of nice. I don't usually wear watches, but I'm going to start wearing this as soon as I can get the band for it because I like this. So it's not a huge update necessarily. Oh, didn't mean to do that. But if the only thing they really need to do now is make it where you can put your own wallpapers. If they would do that, that would be fantastic. So yeah, I do like the new watches. That's definitely a big plus.